welcome to a Mr. Holt Maths special. Quick one on volume of hemispheres, that's half a sphere. And in this one it's the non-calculator example where it asks you to leave your answer in terms of pi, and also you're going to need for this question the formula sheet at the front, and you're going to need that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, and we're going to use that. So if we imagine this terrible diagram was an entire sphere, we can just plug our number into that there. So we'd do 4 times pi times 5 squared, because our radius is 5, and we end up with 4 times pi times 25, which is 100 pi. 4 times 25 is 100, and just attach the pi. It's non-calculator, it's asked us to leave it in terms of pi. That would be the full sphere. So in this case, we need half of the sphere, which is that's going to give us the dome. So that's going to be, well, half of that, so 100 pi over 2 is 50 pi. A lot of people will leave the answer there, but that is just that bit there, the outer sphere. We've actually got the circle underneath. A lot of people forget this bit. So area of a circle, this isn't on the formula sheet, so area of a circle is pi r squared. And then again we just use that 5, so pi times 5 squared, which is 25 pi. So the area underneath the circle is 25 pi, the area of the dome 50 pi. We're adding them together. Don't really need to do this, but I'll do it anyway. Which is 75 pi centimetres squared, because the units are actually in centimetres. Left it in terms of pi because the question's asked that. If it was a calculator paper, you'd probably have to times it by 3.142. But in this case, 2 sets are working: the sphere, surface area, and then the area of the circle. A little exam tip: if you are struggling, work out the circle bit if that's the bit you remember, just to get yourself a mark. If you only remember that bit, do that bit to get yourself a mark. Do not leave it blank. Okay, hope that helped.